Hey friends, Andrew here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable hype on YouTube and how it works, right? So basically, for you to enable this on your channel, you want to simply click on settings in the YouTube studio on the lower left and go to channel from the options on the left, go to the advanced settings and scroll down, and in the list, you should see the option to enable hype on your channel. And so, in case you're not seeing this, there is only one possible reason for you not to see this in the YouTube studio. And that's because your channel needs to be monetized first and foremost. So you have to ensure that your channel reach the requirements on the left side, click and earn. And of course, you want to ensure that you meet the requirements to be in the YouTube partner program. And that means you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or it says you need to have 10 million short views within the last 90 days to be eligible, right? And so from there, you can apply for the partner program. And if accepted, you will join the partner program. And so you'll be able to have hype enabled on your content or your videos. Now, let me show you from a channel that is monetized. And so from a channel that is monetized, again, you know the steps. You go to settings on the lower left hand side right here. And then from here, you go to channel. Then from here, you click on advanced settings and scroll down in the list. And you will find the option for let viewers hype my content. So here you'll find it hype. And here you can see it says let viewers hype my content. Now, by default, this should be enabled, and so you should see it checked already. If not, you want to check that box and click on save, right? And of course, if you want to turn it off, you do the same. But I'm gonna keep it on. No, that's it. Now, how does it work, right? You go to YouTube, and if you some one of your viewers go to YouTube, find your videos, they can hype your video. But on the PC version, if you have let's say option like let's say super tanks enable, you can actually have them, let's say, give you super tanks. I'm going to show you. So on a PC version, as you can see right here, I have a video. This is a video on my channel. If you look right here, there is no option to hype it. And if I click the three dots right here, you can only do the super tanks. And that's basically, give you some money if they basically buy super tanks. And that's really it when it comes to hype. No, so you have it. Another reason you may not be able to see the hype on your channel after it's been enabled. It could be that you are not in a country where it's eligible. However, it will not be showing on the PC version, but there can be reasons why you're not seeing hype, and I'm going to show you a few reasons why. Because I've done a research and I want to share that with you as well. So you need to ensure that you have between 500 to 500,000 subscribers. That's like a limit or something thereabout, right? And there are country restrictions as well. So you have US, Canada, Australia, Germany, Brazil, and some other countries, right? You may have a bunch of other countries that it's available. Of course, you need to ensure that you follow the steps to enable it and so forth. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head over to my mobile version. I'm just gonna show you how it actually works if you have it enabled on your channel, and that's pretty much how you can basically do it on the mobile. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is a screen recording of my mobile phone, and here you can see a video. I'm gonna tap on this video. I'm gonna pause the video for a moment right there, as you can see, and I'm gonna swipe across these options here. And right here, you can see hype. And so you're seeing the hype button, and now I can tap on it. So you can see it's eligible for the mobile version, but it's not available on the PC. And this is something for you to know that you can do hype from mobiles. It makes for working on mobiles, not for PC. And if you turn on the feature and you're not able to see it on your computer, it's because it wasn't designed to work on the PC version, but instead on the mobile. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. So I really hope you understand the requirements of having it on your channel and how it actually works, how to find it, knowing that it's only available for the mobile version. And so you can tell someone you have hype enabled, and you can guide them and tell them that they can do it through their mobile phone. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I really hope you found some value here within this video, guys. And if you do, really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and looking forward to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.